Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Wednesday, September 9th, 2009. This morning I thought I'd take a look at one of the practical applications of the Facebook interface that I've built, and that is a plugin to the BottomFeeder RSS aggregator. So let's go to the public store repository and browse published items, and we'll take a look at Facebook, and you see one of the options here is Facebook BF plugin. What I'm going to do is load that. It'll have a bunch of prerequisites that are going to come in with it, so I'm going to pause this while it loads that. Okay, with that loaded, let's close that down, take a brief look at what we got. So let's open a browser, and if you look here, you see under Facebook BF plugin, you come down, you've got the bundle, which is actually the Facebook interface itself. We're not going to look at that today. This is the little piece that got added, the Facebook streamed RSS. And what this does is it takes this little user interface that I've attached for validation with the Facebook API, and then down here the connector, and what it does is it holds onto the connection and the settings file, and then it goes out and it allows you to create something to talk to Facebook. Basically what it does is it takes the news stream and it will translate that into something that BottomFeeder can consume as if it were an RSS feed. It doesn't actually convert it into XML, it converts it into the internal RSS object format that BottomFeeder uses, and then just presents it as a news item. So let's show you how that works. We'll go here to Tools, and we'll open BottomFeeder. And then what we'll do next is we'll go to Plugins. You see that I've got this set of Facebook things. First I need to authorize against Facebook, so let's go to that. Now this is kind of a two-step procedure. First you have to hit this Facebook login, and what it's going to do is it's going to go to my default browser, which happens to be Firefox, and I need to log in now, so I'm going to type my Facebook password. Now if I've already logged in, or if I selected keep me logged in, I don't need to do this again. It's going to come back and it's going to tell me that I'm already logged in. So now what I can do is I can go back to my interface, and having done that I check this box and I tell it to grant me permissions if I have not extended to permissions. In my case I already have. All I need to do is tell it to get session. So if I get the session, it'll now tell me, okay, you now have session information, you can add a feed. And having hit that, you'll see that over here in BottomFeeder, let's close this down, I now have a feed. So let's go here and click on this, and you see now I've got all these items. So if I select one of these, like teaches Ruby to students, I've got Adrian Kuhn who says he's teaching students Ruby. And if I go down here, just installed Facebook for Android, so you can see what this guy's doing. So this will give you all of your Facebook news stream information sitting right here, and if I go ahead and hit this link information, it'll bring me right to the Facebook page where I can go and comment on that directly on the site. Or if I want to, I can select this item, and you notice that under plugins I have a couple of different options. I can go to Facebook Stream, I can go to Facebook News Update, I can go to Facebook Status Update. You'll also notice that I have the comment tool enabled for this, so for Facebook feeds I can directly comment on an item and that'll work. But if I want to just go to my Facebook Stream, I can go to Plugins, Facebook Status Update. Let's say doing the daily screencast, and we'll hit send on that, and once that disables we can come back here, we can go to Facebook now, and you see I haven't logged in here either. This is my other browser, so let's go ahead and log in. And once that's logged in, we should see doing the daily screencast right there. So you see that I posted from BottomFeeder my daily status update here into Facebook, and I did that all from the comfort of my interface here. So you can take the code that I've written and integrate it nicely into other web tools without much difficulty. And this is one of the nice things about web interfaces and Smalltalk is it makes it much, much easier to integrate either from a website or from a client application. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.